Yeah, yeah. Good morning, Melina. Right. So we'll start our today's session. So within today's session, we are going to conduct programming. The first few lessons. Right. I'll give the sharing access to you. Okay. Now you can get the sharing access, and please share your screen. I hope you are in the computer, right? Right. Okay. Right. You can share the screen and. Right. First, open command prompt CMD. Just type CMD in the search box. Yeah, right. And open your command prompt. Right. Then just type Java and press enter. Just wait until it gives some command. Right. So you can see now in our very first day, once we just type this word and enter, you will get that you got the message like this is not unrecognized word or like that, some error. But now you can see there is a huge lengthy list will be displayed. It means this computer has installed Java. Right. So that is why you have to take this advantage. Even if you are going to give knowledge to someone else, you can check whether there is Java in this computer or not. Just type Java and press enter. Then if this is kind of lengthy list is displayed, it means I can say that you have successfully downloaded and successfully installed the computer. But the problem is, Melina, we have to set the path. We have to do some different thing. Normally, when we are installing software, just install and work. But Java, there is some other things to do as well. But we'll keep as it is. We are going to try out some Java program. Then we'll learn how to set the path later. Once we see that error, and also we can learn from that. That is why. Okay, so then open Notepad. I think it's better to download Notepad++. This is very small software. So just type Note. Already you have installed. Good. So just click on that Notepad++. Just open it. Right. This is where I'm going to write my first program. So within semester 1, as I already explained, we are not going to use IDEs. Right. Okay. Go to Notepad++. So we can just minimize the command prompt. Okay. And you can zoom in it, because if the font size is larger, it is easier for me as well. In the, just like there is some plus mark within the third row. So not the title row, not the file menu bar. In the middle of that, in the third row, there are some set of icons. Just there is in the middle of plus mark and minus mark, just like middle of the bar in the third bar. Yeah, that is. Just click on that. Yeah, that is the icon. Just click on 2, 3 times. So yeah, that's enough. Okay, now our font is much bigger. Right. So you have to type very first program, but I'm not going to explain each word by word. You will be understand eventually. Right. When we are doing the programs, you will learn one by word, one by one. What is this word for? What is this word like that? Right. First, we are going to just write a program. Write as it is, as I'm explaining. Type class, all are simple. If I want to write capitals, I will say class, keep a space, A, capital A, capital A. My class name is A. Open curly brackets, open curly brackets, close curly brackets. Right. So here I want to teach you something. When you are coding, it is not just report writing. It is not essay writing. This is coding, programming. When you are doing this, open curly bracket, and also in the same time, practice the habit, close the curly bracket. Right? But if you're writing essay or some document, it's okay to write from start to end. But in coding, we are just using format after that come in between and write the rest of the things. For example, you can write that just class A, open curly bracket, and rest of the things you can write. After that, close the curly brackets. That is not the way of coding. So first step that you have to, from the very early step, you have to learn best coding writing practices as well. Right, now we open the curly bracket and in the same time we close the curly brackets. Right, go to file, the menu, file. We are going to save this program. File, save. Use the option save. And then we are going to create a separate folder in order to keep these practicals. So just go to desktop or whatever that you, desktop or local disk D, or it's better to keep desktop. In the very first time we just use desktop because for a purpose. So it is easy for us, that is why, right? Create a folder in the free space, right click there, just right click there, new folder. This is how you normally create a folder, and type Java practicals or Java prac in short term. P capital, or don't keep dots, just we can write P capital. Don't keep spaces. Java prac. That is enough. Okay. And in the file name type, instead of the file, double click on the Java prac folder. First you have to go inside now. Yeah, right. To the file name type a.java. A.java. A dot, it means the extent. No, capital A. Because class name must be same as file name. It must be exactly same. Exactly same. If it is capital A, it is capital A dot Java. Right. Click save. Now we have typed our Java program and also save. Right. Click on the save. Okay. Now our file is saved. Right. Then come in between to the curly brackets. Keep your cursor in between the curly brackets. In between and press enter. Press enter once. Right. There, now you can see your mouse pointer is blinking and it is the next level. So class, the bird class is in the corner of the notepad, and just after a small space, you are going to start the next level. So this one, Melina, we are saying indentation. That is one level, next level, like that. Okay, there just type. Don't worry about what are these words, just type public, all are simple, public, keep a space, public, static, 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 keep a space, void, void, V-O-I-D, keep a space, public, static, void, main, M-A-I-N, M-A-I-N, main, and open normal brackets, we call parentheses, normal round brackets, with shift and 9, yeah, close the normal brackets, and open curly braces, open curly braces, close the curly braces. Right, this is we called Java main method. Most of the files you have to write Java main method. Actually, we are going to write main methods for the first few programs. All the programs that we are first try, we are writing main methods. Without main method, we can't run a program. Without main method, we can't run a program. So I said that most of the programs have main method. It means, are there programs that haven't main method as well? Yeah. And are there programs that we are just write not to run? Yeah, of course. So why it is that we are going to learn it later. But remember, most of the time, maybe just 5 or 7 days, I'm just again writing main method and write inside that. But there are some programs also without main methods. So that is some advanced things we have to learn in the later chapters. Right. So now public static void main. There is something more to add. This is, we have write the main method incompletely. Let me complete the main method. So come to the parentheses, in between the parentheses, come inside the normal brackets. Yeah. Type there S capital string. S capital string. Others are simple. Other letters are simple. String, S-T-R-I-N-G. S-T-R-I, strings, strings. Is public static void main is, sorry, string, not s. In the last s, just delete. String, keep a space. String, keep a space. ARG. Just type ARG and open ARGS. ARGS. Open square brackets and close square brackets. Square brackets this time, right? Right. Now we have tried main method completely. So this is actually called main method, including the string args part as well. Right. Public static void main string args. This is the format of the main method. Right. So why we are saying main method? So the name is of the method is main. Okay. Now come in between to the curly braces of the main method. Coming in between to the curly braces of the main method. Press enter. At once press enter. Right. Now you can see your cursor is blinking. So that is our next level. The next level. So that is why I say indentation. So indentation, it supports this Notepad++ very easy. So if you just use Notepad, this indentation, you have to do it manually again and again. So this is helpful to keep good indentation because it is readable. Anyone, even anyone that who don't understand Java, still that person also can understand within the class A, there is a main method. Within the main method, there is some content that going to write. Now we can get the idea with the indentation. Right, type there, we are going to print something. Right, so for print, we are going to use this statement. Type it with capital S, system. Dot, keep a dot, just like full stop, out, O-U-T, out, just type it, out, dot, again keep a dot, print, P-R-I-N-T, print, ln, ln, just add l and n. Open normal brackets, it means parentheses, open normal, no, from there, just after the print ln comes to there, open normal brackets, close normal brackets, put semicolon, semicolon. No, at the end of the statement, yeah. Come in between the parentheses, come in between those lines. Yeah, that is correct, Melina. You have to use a semicolon at the end of the line as it is. You have done it. So keep that as well. Right. And after that, come in between the brackets, right? Open double quotes and close double quotes there. Open double quotes and close double quotes. Come in between the double quotes now. Right. Shall we write your name there? Just type your name. Right. Just first name is enough. Okay. Right. Then again, save this file. Again, just you can save button or file save. Right. Now we have write very first Java program. So let me explain briefly. There is a class, so don't worry about what is a class, anything. Just there is a class. Class name is A. That is why we have saved this program as a.java. Class name and the file name should be exactly same. Otherwise, it will give us errors. And inside the class name, there is a main method. In Java, main method, default main method, public static void main string args. And inside the main method, we can write any content that we want to add for the program. And here I just use very small program just to print your name. So printing statement is system.out.println. Actually, println means ln means line break. With the line break also printing. It means once it is type your name, automatically it will break a line. And if you are giving another print statement, it will print in the next line. But you can see it if you are adding another line, another print statement only. Or else you can just type system.print only as well without line break. Right, now this is our program. Now we are going to run the Java program in our command prompt. Go to command prompt. Go to your command prompt. So you can see there is a very lengthy list now. So we'll clear our screen. We are not going to delete, but clear. So for clear, use CLS. Just type CLS. Simple. Na? CLS and press enter. Right. With CLS command, you can clear the screen. Don't confuse with the term. CLS is a command that we are using in the command prompt. It is not a Java word. It is our command in language, but not a Java word. Right. So now we are in, you can see in C partition in user. We want to, first of all, in order to run the program, we want to go where the program is. So our program we have saved in desktop. First you have to traverse to the desktop to access this. Type it cd, just type in your command prompt cd, keep a space, desktop, just type desktop, desktop and press enter. Right, now you can see, now I'm in user desktop. So cd means change directory desktop. It means you are changing your directory. Directory means the folder that you have to go to the desktop. Right, cd the word is also a command language, only command language, no Java words still we didn't use. Right, in the desktop you have to go inside your folder, again go to your inside your folder cd java prac as our folder. Just write your folder name, Java Prac, folder name as it is, and press enter. Now we are inside the Java program. Right, now we are inside the Java program. Then we are going to type first, as if you can remember, in our first session, we said that now we are seeing those things practically. In our first session, we said that Java program must compile and run. You can't just run at once when you are using command prompt. If it is using ID, that's okay. Just you have to type, just you have to click on the button run. But here we have to do two steps, compile and run. Right. So first I'm giving you command to compile. Type this as Java, just type simple, Java C, just at C. Keep a space, A, capital letter class name, A.java, Java C, A.java, and press enter. Now you will get an error. This is the place where I want to show you. Now you get an error. What is the error? Java C is not recognized as internal or external command. So it is says not recognized, but Java is already installed. We check whether it is installed correctly. Yeah, it is gives a lengthy list, and we confirmed Java is installed. But what happens when we are going to do compile? It says we don't know Java. So this is because you have to set the path. Set the path, right? So it means we have to say to our C partition, this is where your JDK is. So we have to set the path where the Java install is. It must be notified to the computer. Otherwise, does not know. It says Java is installed, but we have to mention the path as well. So how to do this? So there are two ways to do this. We said that temporarily setting path and permanently setting the path. As name implies, you can understand temporarily means again and again you have to set path. Permanently means permanent, just only one setting. We have to learn two or both methods. We'll first try to temporary setting. Right. Just type, we are going to set the path with command, right? Just type sct set, the simple, just use simple word set, keep a space, path, path, set path, equal mark, open double quotes, open double quotes, right? Keep this one as it is, and no, don't close the double quotes because this is not programming, this is just a command line language, right? Open double quotes and keep as it is, and keep command prompts as it is. Just go to your file explorer. It means I want to go inside your computer. Can you go to the file explorer or this PC icon? Just keep the command prompt as it is. File explorer or this PC icon, I just want to go. Or else just open our Java prac. So from there also you can write. Go to the local disk C. Double click on local disk C. Go inside the program files. Double click on program files folder. Yeah. And you can see Java folder there is. This is where your Java program is installed. Go inside the Java folder. Right. There you can see JDK folder, Java Development Kit. Double click on that. And bin folder. Double click on bin folder, the latest, the topmost folder. Yeah, double click on that. After that, just keep your mouse pointer. So you can see the URL of here. The end of the URL, it means in the bin, after bin word, no, in the upper one, in the URL, the path is shown. Yeah, there just click on, just one click. Only just click after the bin. No. After even bin word, just, yeah, right. Now, this is our path of the JDK. Just copy it to your mouse pointer. You can right click and copy. Right click and copy the path to your mouse pointer. Right. Then come to your command prompt. Just click on the command prompt. In the taskbar, just right. Then paste it. Right click and paste. Right. Close the double quotes. Close the double quotes. No, you have to close the double quotes there. I think again you have come to the next one. It means I think accidentally you press the enter button, anything. Okay, just again press enter. Just again press enter. Right. Type CLS will clear our screen. Just type CLS. Right. Again type the command set path. Set path. Set space. No, keep a space. Set, keep a space, path, equal mark, open double quotes. Paste it, right click and paste. Now close the double quotes. Press enter. Right. Now I think we have set the path. Shall we check whether it is? Again type the command. Now we are going to compile. Java C, keep a space, a.java, capital A.java. Enter, press enter. Just wait until it gives. Right. It means, does it give error this time? No. It means now it's working. It says you have correctly set the path. Now it doesn't give us error. Previously you can see that error. So I just, as you have mistakenly pressed enter, I just clean the screen and do those things. No need to clean. Just use the set path command and it will be okay. Okay, but now we have to run the program in order to in order to view the output. But before that, go to your Java prac folder with File Explorer. So keep the command prompt as it is. Just go to your prac folder. Just double click on that. And now you can see there are two files. So this is the thing that I explained in the very first day. How Java works. So we have saved Java file, Melina, a.java. right? With this command, so if you, I didn't open it previously. So if you open it previously, there is just only one file, no, a.java file only. But now you have run the command of compile. Once you run the compile command, you will generate, that machine will generate a dot class file. We call this class file, or else we call byte file. It is an intermediate level of before it is converted into the machine code. It is actually not readable, right? If you open it through the Notepad++, so it is not readable. So I have opened it in from my side as well. So there are two files now. Right. Again, go to your command prompt. Just click on the command prompt button in the taskbar. Then you can open it. Right. Then we are going to run the Java program. Type Java. Just type Java. Run command is even easier. Keep a space, capital A, the class name, capital A, press enter. Right. Now our program is successfully compiled and also successfully run. Right. Close the command prompt. Totally close the command prompt. Right. Now you have closed the command prompt. Okay. Again, open the command prompt. Once again, reopen the command prompt. Just click on open. Right. Once again, do the same actions. I want to compile and run our program. Go to desktop, CD desktop. Once again, I'm doing the same thing. CD desktop. Press enter. CD desktop and enter. Right. CD Java Prac. Go inside your Java program folder. Right. Compile your program. Java. See, every time you have to compile. Every time, if you are going to run Java C A.java, you have to compile it. And after that, you can run it. Java C A.java, capital A dot Java, capital A. The class name should be as it is. Once again said, Java C is not recognized. That is why we say this is temporarily set. Temporarily. Again and again, once again, if you close the command prompts, once again, you have to do this. Shall we just remember just only the second time we'll write it again, right? Set path. Just write set path. Set space path equal, open double quotes, open double quotes and paste, right click, paste. So it's still, that is in the mouse point, so it will be okay. Close the double quotes, press enter. Right. No need to write the same command again and again, Melina. You can use up arrow key in your keyboard. Just press up arrow key in your keyboard. Again, press up arrow key. The earlier command I want to. Right. Press enter. Now you can see in the same view, you can see in the first time when you see Java C A.java says Java C is not recognized. But once again you set the path and again you run the same command. Now there are no errors. Again, we'll try to run the program. Java A. Just type our running method. Java A. Java keep space A. Press enter. Right. However, this is temporarily set. What happens if you shut down, or just at least not shut down, even if you close your command prompt again open, once again you have to set path like that. So this is a burden for us. And we are going to set our Java path permanently. Now we are going to set the Java path permanently. To do that, in the search box of your computer, type environment variables. Just we can directly go to the place. So normally it is inside the settings. So we can directly edit the system environment variables. Click on that. That one. Inside the control panel in the settings, you can get this here. Right. From the advanced, so it is already selected. Click on environment variables that is in the bottom corner. The button environment variables. Yeah, click on that. Right. From there, come under to system variables. So now we are going to change the system variables. You have to do this carefully because it is systematically change we are going to apply. Right. Click on the path under system variable. You can see, yeah, there is a path. Yeah, click on that and uh, click on new button. New. Uh, Sorry, we'll say just close on that. Just close that. Click on again, click on the path and click edit. Edit. All right. From there, click on new button. From there, click new. Right. Just paste. Right click, paste. Still, that path is in your mouse pointer. Right. Then click on move up button. Click on the move up button and take it to the topmost row. Again, click move up. Move up, and like that. Topmost row you have to get right. Click OK. Again, click OK. Once again, OK. Right. Then close your command prompts. Command prompt. Just open your command prompt and yeah, close your command prompt. And once again, open your command prompt. This time, again, I'm going to do the same thing. Go to desktop and go to a practical folder. Now you're able to do that. CD desktop, CD Java practice. First, you have to go to where your program is. Right. Then compile the program. Java ca.java. It will not again and again create the byte files, but again and again you have to run the compile command. This time it doesn't give us set it means the error command because now we permanently set. Even you shut down and up, this command will be works now without any error because already we fixed that permanently. Right. Again, run the program also. Compile and run Java A. Run method is even easier. Java space A. Press enter. Right. Now it works. Now you know how to set the path permanently and how to set the path temporarily. If you set the temporarily path, so what happens? Right. So then I will give you very small activity. So you can go to again Notepad++. Just again go to the Notepad++. I need a new file. File new. Open a new file. If this type a small program. My class name is hello. Just type class hello with the good practices. Try to type. Every time class names must be capital. Must be means even you use not actually must be. It is best to have capital letters starting for the class names. That is a good practice, right? So every time you have to use capital letters for class names starting letter, right? So drop your use your format. Open curly braces, close curly braces, and also save the program. Save the program. Inside the same folder, you can save, right? Go to your already it is selected. Already it is selected. File name, what will be you are using? Hello.java. It should be hello.java, nothing else. Because it should be same as, exactly same as the file name. Hello.java, yeah, save it. Then add your main method, come in between the brackets and press enter. And add main method public static void main. First, we are going to type it 2-3 times. After that, we can just copy and paste it. Public static void main, open brackets, normal brackets, close normal brackets, open curly braces, close curly braces. There you have to, yeah. And again, come inside the normal brackets and string args is S capital. In the string and system, S arg S capital. String args. And after the args, there must be square brackets as well. After the args word, there must be square bracket, open the square bracket and close the square bracket. And come inside the curly braces. Press enter. Type system.out.println. In system S capital. Once again, I'm going to just to add printing statement only also this time. Println. Open normal brackets and close normal brackets. Put semicolon. At the end of every statement, there must be semicolon in Java statement. Right, come inside the brackets and open double quotes and close double quotes. Double quotes actually we are using because it is a text, is string. That's why. In this time, we'll write just hello world as a practice. Normally, in very first time, it is some things or everyone says hello world programs like that. No, right? Hello world. Okay. Save it. Right. Go to your command prompt. No need to open another new command prompt. You can use the same command prompt. Just click on that in the taskbar. Right. Compile this program. Java. So you don't want to go again the folder, already you are there. Compile the program. Now you know the command java c hello.java. Right. Then run the program. Java hello. Then no need to set the paths again. Everything we have done permanently. Right, good. Now you know how to run the Java program. Right, we'll take very small break. At 10:30, again rejoin. We'll continue our program from 10:30.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay.